Good afternoon, everyone. We are here in Kansas City, Kansas, at the Quindaro. It is an overpass, overlook. And this was from the Civil War. This is part of the Underground Railroad. If you read here, this was actually where I'm standing. It was a part of history. And over here, it says that no man shall be subject to slavery, and all that men are free. And yes, this is in Kansas City, Kansas. See, Kansas. It's not what people think. And look how beautiful. See the water over there? It's fall. It's October 2016. And it's just a really pretty day out. And so we decided to stop. And it's just like a little hidden place that you don't really see, kind of in the middle of nowhere, end of a dead-end street. Excuse me. But anyway, this Missouri River over there, and it was part of the Underground Railroad. And so, like in many of my videos, I just, I don't know, I like to share with people that may not see it. And it is really pretty out today. I'm going to see if that freaky bug, yeah, it's like a dinosaur looking bug. I've taken a picture of him and a video, and I don't think he's happy, but he looks like a dinosaur thing. I know that's off topic. But anyway, again, we're here in Quindaro, and it's really pretty. You can hear the train in the distance, and it's a sunny, beautiful day. It's a little gazebo, and so that's it. I hope you enjoyed my short little video, Underground Railroad, in the middle of KCK. Sunny day. Peace and love.